Hello friends, this is Jigna Vora from Srimati RRH Patel Mahila Arts College affiliated to HNGU, North Gujarat University, and this short video is for the second year students semester 5 who have opted for special English. Today we'll have a look at the syllabus and the structure of the paper that we are studying under the title 305. Friends, as you know, in semester 1 and in semester 2 you have studied various forms of literature like poetry, sonnets you have studied, odes you have studied, ballad you have studied. Then we also had epic structure. Again, in another paper you had prose forms like essay, short story. Then you had Chaucer's tales. And in semester 3 you are already studied novel form as well as the form of comedy. So you can say that by third semester you have already covered the genres of literature, the forms of literature, and so it is time to have knowledge about how to look at a work of art, at a literary piece. So this paper 305 aims to teach you to have that critical sense, to have that critical knowledge. So this theoretical paper is titled as Foundation Course in Literary Criticism, and as it suggests that it is just foundation course. In Sem 3 we are studying the nature and function of literary criticism in Unit 1. Unit 1 has 3 points. The first is what is literary criticism, under which we study various definitions and various opinions given by some critics, some scholar critics, and that's how we define what is criticism, the nature of criticism. Another question is functions of criticism or the role of critics. So again we are studying the second point, which enhances our knowledge of the basic theory, basic field of literary criticism, how it works and how can it be applied. Then the third question is regarding qualities of a good critic, the third question is qualities of a good critic, which discusses what should be the intellectual background or qualification to become a good critic, which critic you can trust upon. So thus you can prepare for at least 2 questions. You have to prepare for at least 2 questions from this unit. I repeat, we have 3 points in first unit: nature of criticism, second is function of criticism, and the third is qualities of a good critic. In second unit we have a look at the classical era, Greek times, and we have 2 Greek critics with whom this whole journey of literary criticism started, and that is Plato and Aristotle. So we have to study Plato's ideas of arts and poetry, and the second point is Aristotle's theory of imitation. So be clear, in next semester you are going to study Aristotle's views on tragedy. So don't mistake these 2 topics. It's very clearly described here that here you have to study Plato's idea of arts and poetry and Aristotle's theory of imitation. So in next videos we will be discussing one of them, and you have to prepare at least one critic thoroughly, either Plato or Aristotle. Then unit 3 is generally you have unit 4 as acquaintance, but in this paper unit 3 is acquaintance, and it also is a little different from previous year, as this is about literary terms. Aristotle has used a few terms while describing, while giving his literary opinions, and we have to describe, give definition and give examples of these terms like plot, humor, theme, setting, character, imagination, pathos, and so on. So unit 3 is about these literary terms. You have to write short notes on these literary terms. And unit 4, now this is something challenging for you and interesting also. You have to study some unknown poets, some unknown poetry, and you have to appreciate an unseen poem asked in the exam. You might not have seen or read that poem earlier, but you have to write at least 4 pages long appreciation or critical appreciation, you can say, then and there in the exam hall. So it is quite challenging. We will go through a few famous poems and poets and the structures, various structures, and we will try to have a look how we can criticize a poem on our own. So that is quite challenging but as well as interesting. During this free time, you can practice your favorite Gujarati poetry. તમે ગુજરાતી કવિતા તમને ગમતી એકાદ લઈ શકો અને એના ઉપર કોઈ ગાઈડ કે અપેક્ષિત જેનો આજ સુધી તમે ઉપયોગ કરતા આવ્યા છો, તમે ટેવાઈ ચૂકેલા છો, એવા કોઈનો ઉપયોગ કરવાને બદલે તમને આ કવિતા કેમ ગમે છે, તમને આ કવિતામાં એવું શું લાગે છે, કવિતા શેના વિશે છે, કવિ શું કહેવા માંગે છે, એટલું સમજવાનો થોડોક આપણે પ્રયત્ન કરીએ અને ગુજરાતીમાં તો ગુજરાતીમાં પણ એક્સપ્રેસ કરવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરીએ તો ત્યાંથી આપણી જર્ની આપણે એક ઇંગ્લિશ અનસીન પોએટ્રીને એપ્રિશિએટ કરવા તરફની શરૂ કરી શકીએ. સો વી હેવ 4 books recommended for these 4 units. The first one is The Making of Literature by R.S. Scott James and A Study of Literature by W.H. Hudson. You can have a look at these books later on when you start coming to college regularly. We have these books in our library. And for unseen poetry, Appreciating English Poetry by P.K. Thakur is prescribed here, and we will practice from it only. For literary terms, you can visit M.H. Abrahams. You can find this on Google also. So M.H. Abrahams' book Literary Terms can help you for the unit 3. So this is just to have an idea. In further video sessions, we will discuss each point in detail. Thank you.